the river. When it rains, water from the clouds falls to the ground. What happens after the water falls to the ground? Sometimes the water may disappear into the ground. Sometimes you can see that it collects for a while and forms a puddle. When there is a lot of water in the puddle, it begins to flow. Water always flows down a slope. It never flows up a slope. After the rains, some water gets absorbed in the soil, but then most of it starts running down the slope. This running water is called a stream. As you see the water from one place flowing down the slope, water from the nearby puddles starts flowing down that slope too and joins this water. So, many streams come together. When streams join together, we call it a rill. Rills join together to form brooks or rivulets. Rivulets join together to form a river. Do rivers join together too? Yes, of course. The bigger river is called the main river. The smaller river is called a tributary. So, where do you think rivers start? Since a river flows down, it has to start somewhere high up. The starting can happen in many ways. Rain can collect and start a river. Snow can melt and get a river started. A river can start from a lake. Sometimes water sinks into the ground. Water collects underground and then the river starts. So we can say that all rivers start at the highest point in that area. As the river flows downstream, it gains more water from other streams, rivers, springs, added rainfall, etc. Starting point of a river is called its source. It rains heavily near the mountain tops as most of the rain clouds are stopped there. Hence, most of the rivers have their sources in a hilly area. You know that rivers join rivers. The place where two or more rivers meet is called a confluence. The area through which a river and its tributaries flow is called the basin of the river. The banks are the two sides of the river. A river joins the sea. So normally, water from the river flows into the sea. During high tide, water from the sea comes into some part of the river too. That part of the river is called a creek.